How to clean a Magtech Secure Card Reader Authenticator with Waffle Technology Cleaning Cards. Keep your business running smoothly with regular maintenance and cleaning of your Magtech credit card reader. Magtech Secure Card Reader Authenticators benefit from cleaning the magnetic read head and swipe path. To thoroughly clean your card reader, follow best practices as laid out in your installation and operation manual. And use a card cleaning kit supplied by Magtech that uses Waffle technology. Card reader cleaning cards are designed with Waffle technology, compressible areas and bumps that reflect an actual card transaction, cleaning the areas of the swipe path most prone to grit and buildup. Swipe the cleaning card through a few times, back and forth, and you can feel the friction of the read head and Waffle card, confirming the card reader is getting a thorough cleaning. And that's that. A clean card reader means better business.